Into the realm of the PL-89, into the realm of the higher time, into the realm of the Messiah time. It is simple to sing the tune, match the sun up with the sun and beam for the moon, as per Psalm 72. The two calendars are one, match the moon up with the sun, Yaakov and Esav, Tikkun and Tohu, and with that our work is done. This is the PL-89 Gematriatic Quantum Thought Calendar. Actually, to get a clearer view, this is the PL-89 Gematriatic Quantum Thought Calendar for Tuesday, February the 3rd, 2026. And it's the third day of the week. Yom Shlishi, 16 Shvat, 5786. The parsha of the week is Yitro, or Yisro, depending on your pronunciation. Daf Yomi for today is Menachos 19, I think. Is it 19? Is it 20? 22? 25? 27? What is it? Let's see. Menachos 20. I'm sorry. It's Menachos 22. Nope. It's Menachos 23. Yeah, Menachos 23. See, Menachos 21 was Sunday. Menachos 22 was Monday. So it's Menachos 23. Glad I checked. Yeah. Okay. Right. Menachos 23. The Daf 23 of Menachos. And this is the PL-89 Gematriatic Quantum Thought Calendar. It is, like the song says, two calendars in one. The moon, match the moon up with the sun and the moon. The moon and the sun and the moon. The sun and the moon. The sun and the moon. The moon and the sun. And the two calendars are one. These are, in fact, two calendars in one. Solar calendar and lunar calendar. Solar calendar, representing the solar calendar. Greg, who is the Gregorian calendar, on which today is February 3rd, representing the lunar calendar, the moon. Heb, who is the Hebrew calendar, which is the 16th day of Shvat. Two numbers, a solar number and a lunar number. The solar number, we're already, both heavenly bodies are in the Mercury count, the Mercury cycle. As long as one is outside the cycle, meaning in the 10-day twilight, which is over here, so it's not exactly. Now we're really in good gear, in full gear, in full swing, full throttle, because both the sun and the moon are within this area here, and that means that we're in the same area. So according to the laws, the bylaws, the protocols of the PL-89 Gematriatic Quantum Thought Calendar, in Dispensation 3, the fixed months, not cardinal, not mutable, but the fixed months. If you would like to know what cardinal, fixed, and mutable months are, please look online and you'll find out all about them. You can type in astrology, cardinal, fixed, mutable. The fixed months per the laws of Dispensation 3 start. Therefore, Shvat 16 will be right here, because it goes from left to right, and 16 boxes into it is printed box 16. But don't make a mistake to think that box number 15 would be 15. No, 16 is unique in that 16 boxes counted brings you to box 16, but the 15th box is 7. The 14th box is 39. The 13th box is 30. So what's going on here? The answer is that per Leviticus 25, chapter 25 and verse 20, that area, which talks about the sabbatical year, talks about the years following the sabbatical year, when the Word of God makes a promise that those who are faithful and keep the sabbatical year will receive a 3-year blessing. God says, paraphrasing now, I will command my blessing for the 6th, the 7th year, and in the 8th year you'll still be eating from that crop, the old crop. It says the 8th and then the 9th. That was the cue. The 8th and the 9th was the inspiration for the idea of a sequence code of 8 plus 9. And that's what this whole calendar is based on, just 8 plus 9. 8 plus 9 plus 8 plus 9. So 8 starts it out. This is the 8 right here. When you add 9, of course, you get 17. So it's 8, 17, and then you add 9. 8 plus 9 is 17. Plus 8, you get 25. Plus 9, 34. Plus 8, 42. No. Yeah, it's 42, but it cuts off at 40. 40 is this line right here, and 40 is highly thematic. If you look at these light purple boxes and the dark purple, these are 10. So if you see all together, there's 40. There's 10 of these light purple per row, per column. So there's 4 columns. So it's 40 and 40. 40 is a very big number in this. In fact, this is 80 boxes. And right here, the invisible line, which I mentioned earlier, the 10-day twilight period, is 10 days or 11 days, depending on the type of month, Gregorian or Hebrew. Gregorian, like in January, we had 31, so it could be 11. Or in many Hebrew months, it could be like in Tevis, only had 29 days. So the solar number today, it's February 3rd. So February also starts in this calendar. I mentioned fixed months. The fixed months is like February, or it's Aquarius, really. But Aquarius really, it is correlated, is connected to February more than January, even though it can start in January, but it always starts around the end of January, but not the full month of January. January will always be mostly Capricorn. And February will be mostly Aquarius, although at the end of February we'll start Pisces. So February is connected to Shvat, and Shvat's the same thing. Shvat is mostly going to be in February. There's always days in January too. But overall, if you take all the years together, then it's mostly going to be in February. So Shvat starts the count. February starts the count, but not in every dispensation. Only dispensation 3. Dispensation 1 is different. Dispensation 2 is different. Each one starts on the different type of month, cardinal or mutable. Anyway, Shvat 16 is box, printed 16. February 3 is printed 25. You add 16 to 25, and then you get 41. And 41 is the number for PL-89 number for today.